Exercise 11.3, question number 11. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square sheet of a square piece of aluminum sheet of side 6 cm. So we are given a square sheet whose side is 6 cm, and from this square sheet we are removing a circle of radius 2 cm. So, and we have to find the area of the leftover sheet. That is, we have to find the area of this blue colored region. So for this, what we are going to do, we will find the area of square. Also, we'll find the area of the circle. Then we will subtract these two to get our answer. Area of square sheet will be 6 into 6. Area of square is side into side, so this is 6 into 6, 36 centimeter square. This is the area of the square sheet. Now let us find area of circular sheet. Which is pi into r square. R is given as 2. So this is pi into 2 square, which comes out to be 4 pi. We'll take the value of pi as 3.14. So area of this circle is 4 into 3.14, which comes out to be 12.56 centimeters square. We have found the area of square as well as area of the circle. Now we want to find the remaining area. So area of sheet left over will be the difference of these two, 36 minus 12.56, which makes the answer as 23.44 centimeter square. Question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter, and we want to find the area of the path. That is, we want to find the area of this blue colored region. Suppose this red circle is the flower bed whose diameter is given as 66 meter. Its diameter is given as 66 meters, so its radius will be 33 meter. And width of this path is given as 4 meter. This width is given as 4 meter. So we can find out the radius of the outer circle. If I take its radius, it will come out to be radius of the inner circle plus the width of the path. This is 33. 33 plus 4 is 37. So the radius of the outer circle is 37 meter. We want to find the area of this blue colored region, which means we will find the area of the outer circle. From this, we'll subtract the area of the inner circle to get the required area. So area of outer circle outer circle means whose boundary is outside. This circle will include the inner circle as well. So area of the outer circle is pi into r square, and we have seen its radius is 37 meter. So this becomes pi into 37 square. In the same way, area of inner circle, that is the red colored circle, is pi into 33 square. So area of path will be the difference of these two. So here 37 square will be 1369 into pi minus, now I am here not putting the value of pi because this 1369 will not be a multiple of 7. We will first write the areas of these two circles in terms of pi only, then after subtraction we'll check whether we are getting the number, the we can say coefficient of pi as multiple of 7 or not. We can subtract these two, 1369 minus 1089, this makes 280 pi. Now this 280 is a multiple of 7, so now I will put the value of pi as 22 over 7. This 7 will cancel out this 280, so you will get the area of path as 880 square meter. Question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. A sprinkler is given at the center of the garden which can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. We want to find whether the sprinkler will be able to water the entire garden or not. So basically here what we are doing, we are comparing the areas of two circles. One area is already given 314 meters square, and the other circle is given whose radius is 12 meter. We'll find its area and then we'll check whether the area which is covered by the sprinkler is more than the area of the garden or not. Okay, so area of garden is already given as 314 square meter. So we now will find area covered by sprinkler, which will be equal to pi into r square. R is given as 12. So this is pi into 144. Taking the value of pi as 3.14, we get the area covered by sprinkler equal to 452.16 meter square. So this much area is covered by the sprinkler, whereas area of garden is given as this. Now you can clearly see the sprinkler is covering more area than the area of the garden. So your answer will be yes, the sprinkler will be able to water the entire garden. This is your answer for this question. Question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? So radius of wheel is given as 28 centimeter, and we want to find how many times it must be rotated so that to cover a distance of 352 meters. So suppose let number of rotations required to cover 352 meter is n. So distance covered by the wheel will be equal to n times the circumference of the wheel. So the total distance covered is given as 352 meter. We will convert it into centimeter because radius of the wheel is given in centimeter. This is equal to n into what is circumference? The circumference is 2 into pi into r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r, which is given as 28. We will solve this equation for n to get our answer. Here n will be equal to 35200. These three numbers 2, 22 and 4 will come in the denominator. So we will simplify this to get our answer as 200. So your answer is 200 revolutions. The wheel has to rotate 200 times to cover a distance of 352 meter. Question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So we want to actually find the distance covered by the tip in 1 hour, that is in 60 minutes. Here 15 centimeter is the length of the hand of a circular clock. This will be taken as radius. So radius is given as 15 centimeter and we want to find its circumference. The circumference is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14. Here r is not a multiple of 7, so we are taking pi as 3.14. On multiplication, we'll get this as 94.2 centimeter. This is circumference of the circular clock. So a minute hand will complete one complete revolution of this. So this is same as the tip of the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand. So we'll write the answer as distance covered in 1 hour by the minute hand. In 1 hour it will be making one complete revolution. So in 1 hour it will be 94.2 centimeter. This is the answer.